Generate stunning images in just a few seconds with this amazing AI tool. You can combine different images to generate a single coherent image in various styles. Edit your image by adding and removing objects and much more. In today's video, we'll take a brief look at this incredible image editing tool. So, without further delay, let's get started. Styler AI is an amazing AI image generator and editing tool with lots of styles. Sign up for an account using your email and password. New users may have to wait for 10-15 minutes to sign up due to high demand. You will get 200 credits for 7 days. These credits will be refilled after 7 days. Click on the New Project to be directed to this Canvas type page. At the top, you have different options related to Canvas setup and editing. By clicking here, you can give the name of your project. You can choose any aspect ratio from the given ones or go with the custom dimensions. On the left side, you have 3 options related to image generation from text prompt and image to image editing. Let's choose this text to image. Choose any of the styles from the given list. Let's go with this 3D style. Paste your text prompt here. Keep the style intensity at default and click this Stylerize button. Due to high demand, you may have to wait for a few minutes, but it will not be much longer. Here we have the images, and these look amazing. Let's change the intensity to the maximum and generate the images. Each image generation will cost you 4 credits. All the images look great as per our text prompt. Let's choose this one and click on the Place on Canvas button for further editing. You can adjust the image on the screen by choosing different zoom options. Let's go with this Fit to Screen option. Here you have different options for image editing, just like we have in Adobe Photoshop. Let's try one by one. Click on this Remove Background, and within a few seconds, your image background will be removed. You can see how perfectly it has removed the background. Choose this Remove Object option to remove anything from the image. Let's choose this one as an example. Here you can see the perfection of this tool. Let's try to remove this castle. Although it has removed the castle completely, it added a tree that can be removed easily. By choosing this Insert option, you can add any object to the image. First, make a selection. Type the text in this pop-up window. Let's say, a bushy plant. Here we have the results. This one looks awesome. Click on this button to place it on the canvas. In the Lasso tool, we have different options for selections within an image. On the right side, we have layers to switch between. You can also add text to this image by choosing this option. Let's choose the realistic style to generate some real images. Paste your text prompt here. Click on this Stylerize button and wait for a few minutes. Here we have the final images. These look awesome. Let's choose an image to place on the canvas. Currently, the image quality is not much great, but with this tool, you can improve it up to 3 times. Click on this Export button. Choose the file type to PNG or JPG. And here you can choose any of the sizes. Let's go with this 3x. Click on the Export button and wait for the image to be exported. Here you can observe the image quality. Let's try this tool for generating some trending images. Donald Trump selling vegetables in the street. Mark Zuckerberg is repairing the cycle. Another cool feature of this tool is generating an auto prompt from the image. Let's upload an image. Here, I have uploaded the image of a butterfly sitting on a leaf. Let's adjust this image to the canvas. Click on this auto prompt button and wait for a few seconds. Here you can read the prompt. That looks crazy. You can compare it with the original image prompt as well. Choose any of the styles and click on this Stylerize button. Here you can see some amazing images. place any of the images on the canvas and adjust it for further editing. You can also use its Live Assistant feature to generate prompts and images based on the query. Move this text for the image by clicking here. Choose any of the styles and click on this button for image generation. Here we have the images based on our prompt. This looks amazing. Move this image to the canvas. Let's remove this bird from the background. Select the area again and choose the Remove button. Now the bird is completely removed from the backside of the main image. You can also combine different images to generate a unified image. Here, I have uploaded the 3 different images. Arrange these image layers. Click on this button. Choose any of the styles. Click on this button and wait for a few minutes. Here, we have 4 unified images into a single one. Make sure to remove the image backgrounds before uploading. And here, you can see some amazing results. So you can take advantage of this amazing tool to generate and edit your images. That wraps up this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more exciting stuff.